Hey guys, it's John Hardbooker here. I hope you guys are doing well and I hope you guys are looking forward to this video because in this video we're going to be reviewing VidRocket, and as you can see I'm here in the members area. During this video I'm going to give you guys a full run through the members area, and I'm also going to be showing you guys the price and the one-time offers, and I'm going to be showing you guys my bonus page. And I'm also giving away a free premium training course which is called Fugo Multiplier, which teaches you how to make money without an email list. And if you guys do not know who I am, my name is John Hardbooker. I review digital products that will benefit you and help you become financially free and have all the freedom to do whatever you want. So let's get right into the video. So what is VidRocket? VidRocket is a powerful cloud app that allows you to create traffic generation videos in seconds. It's the world's easiest way to create videos that generate free traffic for your business. The main features are create training videos and slideshow videos, and create viral completion videos, turn any URL into videos, and thumbnail maker included. Now if this is something you're interested in, stick with me where I'm also going to give you guys a full run through of exactly what's inside the members here, and I'm also going to be showing you guys the price and the one-time offers and my bonus page. And if you guys haven't yet got your free premium training course, go ahead and do that right now. And if you guys are interested in looking at my bonus page, it's in the link in the description. Okay guys, once you've clicked the link in the description below, it will take you to my bonus page. And just want to let you know, this will be going live on November 25th, Thursday, on 11 AM Eastern Standard Time. And I also just want to let you know, once the countdown has gone down to 0, all my bonuses will expire. So please secure your copy. So if we scroll down to bonus number 1, get the crazy traffic explosion, the best free sites to market that will allow you to tap into even more quality traffic. Bonus number 2, one-click software builds cache creating an email list without any hard work. Bonus number 3, software that automates traffic on Twitter, plus it's a bonus page generator software. Bonus number 4, unlock the simple copy and paste blueprint. And bonus number 5, all vendor bonuses. So guys, all my bonuses all together, including the vendor bonuses, is all 30 bonuses all together. And they're all for free if you purchase VidRocket. Okay guys, I'm back on top of my bonus page, and to secure your copy, all you have to do is scroll down until you see click here to secure your copy and bonuses, which will take you to the sales page. Okay guys, we're here in the sales page, and as you can see on the title of the sales page, brand new for 2021. It's time to unlock the power of video traffic. Say hello to the brand new one-click software creates traffic generating videos in seconds. Free targeted traffic for any niche is now a reality. And these are the benefits of VidRocket. Free targeted traffic on demand, works in any niche, drive 1,000 of visitors fast to any link, easiest way to visitors, leads and sales. Create training and slideshow videos, create viral videos, create completion videos, turn any URL into a video, create thumbnail for your videos, cloud software, nothing to install, 30-day money back guarantee, 30-day money back guarantee, get results or your money back, full training, the best results. And if you guys keep scrolling down, you'll see the button, click here for your access now. That's where you'll be able to purchase VidRocket and my 30 bonuses. And if you guys keep scrolling down, you will see results of people making thousands of dollars just from using VidRocket. So as you can see, these are the results of people using VidRocket. Now guys, there is tons of information, tons of results in the sales page, so please check out the sales page in your own time. Okay guys, I'm here in the members area, and I'm going to give you guys a full run through of exactly what's inside the members area. And if you guys want more details of the members area, all you have to do is go to my bonus page, scroll down until you see watch the demo video of VidRocket below. Okay, this is the dashboard where you create custom videos, convert URL into videos, create completion videos, thumbnail marketer. So this is where you create your videos, and this is your URL to video. Create a completion video and my videos, which when you go on thumbnail maker, which will take you to a new page. So I just pressed on thumbnail maker, which took me to another page where I'll be making my thumbnail. So by starting to make a thumbnail, all you have to do is press open photo or create new. And you also got my account and unlock unlimited. Okay guys, we're back on my bonus page so I can show you guys the price and the one-time offers. So for the front end, VidRocket is $12. Create slideshow videos, training videos, create completion videos, thumbnail maker. One-time offer number 1, unlimited, which costs $37. With the front end version, you can create up to 50 videos a month, which is enough for the most people. But what if you could get an unlimited license to create unlimited videos each month? Unlimited videos, unlimited rendering, unlimited thumbnails. This means you'll be able to generate unlimited traffic to all your sites, links and offers. One-time offer number 2, agency, $37. Create videos and sell videos for clients, a huge market out there ready to make you lots of money. Create thumbnail for clients too. One-time offer number 3, academy, video ranking hacks plus how to sell videos training, $17. Step-by-step training on how to rank your videos higher on YouTube so you can optimize it right and get hundreds or even thousands of views in seconds. Also step-by-step training on how to sell videos and make huge profits by doing it. One-time offer number 4, video monetization upgrade, $37. Now you're getting great traffic with your videos, but where do you spend this traffic to? What if you could send traffic to our high converting offers and keep 100% of the profits entire funnel? This is the easiest way to monetize your videos plus training on how to promote these offers using videos. One-time offer number 5, reseller, which costs $97. One-time offer number 6, Trevor Cash from Scratch training, $37. Okay guys, we have come towards the end of VidRocket review. I hope you guys enjoyed my review. Please like and subscribe for more upcoming reviews. And please follow me on my Instagram and Facebook in the link in the description below. And please guys, go ahead and get your free premium training course also in the link in the description below. And guys, if you guys want more details of VidRocket, go ahead on my bonus page in the link in the description below. And I'll see you guys in my next review.